1.7.b is on scientific notation. So, the rules for scientific notation say that in scientific notation there's always one number in front of the decimal point. You count how many places the decimal point moved. All right, so if you have to move the decimal point, well, let's look at this first one. So we have one number that's not 0 in front of the decimal point, 3.11. We move the decimal point to the right is negative, to the left is positive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 places, and so we would say it is times 10 to the negative 6th. Now on your calculator, we could have just written that one 0.00000311, and then we want this in scientific notation, which is number 7, and let's say, I think it's 1, I'm not positive. We get 3 times 10 to the negative 6. Oh, I shouldn't have said 1. I see what that is. Scientific, and we should have said how many decimal places we want. Let's say 3 decimal places. So it'd be 3.11 times 10 to the negative 6th. Next one. So we moved it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 places. So our answer will be 7.7. We could enter it on scientific notation point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 5, and we get 7.75 times 10 to the negative 7th. Write this number in decimal form. So now I'm going to get my calculator back to the normal mode. Number 1, and I think it's 1. I'm not positive about that. We'll find out. 3.975, and then we hit the times 10 to the key, times 10 to the 10th, and we get, nope, I'm still in scientific notation mode, setup. Normal, normal, 1, okay, shift setup, 1, results format, math results. 3.975 times 10 to the 10th is, oh, I see, it's only going to leave it this way because it's not going to convert it because it doesn't have enough room to write all the zeros. But if we were going to use our rules for exponents, how many places do we move the decimal point? 10. So it was here, 1, 2, 3, and so we have to add 7 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros to get the right answer. That is scientific notation, large and small numbers using scientific notation.